Suki in their feelings. Valentine's Day, me there. Then call me with Tanya. Call me with one essence. Me say. Then when me check it out, she up on the other side with essence. Marie say. From that, me and Tanya friendship are go downhill.
Okay, thank you, my sister.
Tanya, me and you not have nothing. Me and you never did have nothing. The British book where you come, thank you, Jesus, thank you, Lord. Remember, say, me, lend you money for do it, and you pay me back when I get a student loan. You got Jamaica, me ask me, look, son, for lend you £1,000 and him lend you. Tanya, you are the wickedest thing ever touch your road. Tanya, me come at your yard, come take picture. Tanya, no, you send the picture, come give me. Or you call police for rallying. And the police then come and call social work upon you. I said this house too dirty for your kids. I show me back them with. I'm so tired about them the back there the long time. You should have moved. The picture when me have with your throat right now, I mean what me amount and take it to? I mean take a picture there?
Maria.
She
trying to create a scene and tell
she trying to create a scene and I look this pity party when no make no sense. Tanya, you cry on my phone.
Hold on there. Tanya, wait in a SN Maria tell you like.
No, you come and tell lie on me. Me take picture of your house. After you take a picture with the rat infested house and come give me.
Let me ask you one question. When Tanya and you and Essen did that chat cooking, you know about it?
Tanya come to where tell we say, oh, she tired of Suki because Suki call her a college and she can't concentrate.
All right.
And then now Tanya turn around like say somebody a do her something. Tanya nobody not do you nothing. Tanya, you're too wicked.
Let me ask you, Maria. Can you get on live with how much girl I class people and it about go on candy like baga like.
Me want to go everywhere around the world. And you know I want to go around there? You know I want to go there next? I shoot where she text and come give me. Where he gonna rear where in there near me thought with the whole heap of post and the black and blue and the picture with the rat them. Anybody see that picture they can't see say, I know somebody take that and somebody take that and send it to them. Tanya, you take the picture send to me because the police then call the social worker by you say the house too dirty to have children inside there.
Hold on. I'm gonna ask you one more question, Marie. When you and Tanya was friend, because you're not friend anymore, do I ever pick up a phone and call
Dan, me and you never talk. I just want to hear you, me and you start talk. Me I always Tanya say when you're there Jamaica, and me you call her and I tell her say, oh, me a wicked. That she has Suki in her feelings.
Tanya,
you cry on me foot.
Go on candy like baga like.
Me want to go everywhere around the world. And you know I want to go around there? You know I want to go there next? I shoot where she text and come give me. Where he gonna rear where in there near me thought with the whole heap of post and the black and blue and the picture with the rat them. Anybody see that picture they can't see say, I know somebody take that and somebody take that and send it to them. Tanya, you take the picture send to me because the police then call the social worker by you say the house too dirty to have children inside there.
Hold on. I'm going to ask you one more question, Marie. When you and Tanya was friend, because you're not friend anymore, Do I ever pick up a phone and call?
Dan, me and you never talk. I just want to hear you, me and you start talk. Me I always Tanya say when you're there Jamaica, and me you call her and I tell her say, oh, me a wicked and fi vex with me. Dan, me never know. You never know if you have phone.
One more question again. May I ask you, Marie? Do you ever take up a phone and call me yet?
Never.
Or do I ever take up a phone and call you yet?
Never.
Okay, my sister, I'm done.
Tanya,
Hey, Tanya,
remember saying no, me was your savior, you know, Tanya. Everybody said, Tanya, me was your ATM. You call me for money for buy nappy. You call me for money for buy Pampers. You call me for money for buy wipes. Tanya, no let me tell the people them, you know, your bathroom there downstairs. Your bedroom upstairs. All 2 days you know go downstairs, you know. I'd be a takeaway you buy and send the pigeon them collect it from the door, come upstairs, you know, Tanya. Tanya, hey, I want to Tanya, man. Right. Tanya, make me look like a fool. Tanya, me no want your bad.
She's sick.
Tanya, you come and say me go for your British book. Tanya, how me go for your British book for me lend you money for do it?
Okay.
Tanya, me baby lend you £1,000. When you got Jamaica, Tanya, you don't have no money. Tanya, I don't know where you're going to Jamaica. I want to take sweater something them for.
Yeah.
Can you not look good with the elephantitis foot?
One more question this one. Me is a big woman, right? Coming, love being a big woman, coming, look with a big woman. If me compliments my friend and said, oh, Maria look nice. You understand? That means me go crazy over you. Tanya, I'm going to go crazy over you. Tanya, you're a rubbish fan.
Tanya, you not look good. Tanya, you got Jamaica, you never your teeth, your shaving kit. And you couldn't go nowhere because your beard them a grow. Tanya, if you stay in the house for 4 weeks, when put on the stress by you up there, and you not come out the house about 3 weeks, and you're full of filter, when me go there, beard, me have to wonder if a Tanya, me look for a youth, or a Rasta youth.
Maria,
and Tanya is a wicked girl. Tanya, remember, me not tell you things, you know. Me not tell you nothing about my life, you know, because I'm afraid of you. Because me see you call the benefit people them from carry 2 weeks straight, 2 times a day. And I go give me